Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you make some pizza. So I've already started one for practice. This is my pizza dough. Here's the cheese. Here's the, what is this? Pizza sauce. So I've already started one, if you can see there. So let's get started with the first one. So here's my spoon. I'm gonna dip it in there. Get this, spread it like that. Like this. And then I'm gonna get my cheese. Then it's my cheese. Sprinkle it all on. Yeah. Then I'm gonna go and get my another spoon. Dip it. Spread it again. And still my second pizza. And see. And if you know what I'm hanging it on, a fruit ball. It's going everywhere. Just need a bit more. Yeah, now I can get my cheese again. I'm using my hands, not a spoon, because I'm messy. So, 2 pizzas complete, 4 left. There was 6. Everyone knows that. Some of you might not. Definitely, you all know that. Yeah. Spread it. Spread it. That's actually looking good. I think I'm making this for my dad when he gets back home. I'm not sure. Or I think I'm just making this for a video. I'm not sure. Cause I was playing trains and then my mom said, "Do you want to make pizza?" And I said, "I should do it as a video how to make pizza." And so yeah, if this video reaches 4 minutes, you better, all of you better make this video some views. Cause, yeah. So, check out, the announcement of Benjamin's Teddy coming. I've not ordered anything yet, like I said, on the last video we did. So yeah, and now I'm just making another pizza. Spread it like this. This is how to make a pizza video, and I'm just talking. Now I can go and get my cheese. And if I look a bit tired, because I'm tired, because I went to bed late last night. I've got 2 more left. This one, like, that's what I'm doing, and then I'm just gonna go and get some more and do it like. It reached 4 minutes. We heard like a wow. That was just Mummy. Say hi.
Hi. You're doing an amazing job, darling.
I'm running out of pizza sauce. I still have one more. Now I need cheese.
Can't wait to eat one.
Who am I making it for?
For all of us.
Well, I need to wash my hands after this. I'm getting videoed by another person. My eye was off camera. I need some more pizza sauce.
We've actually run out.
This says I only have this much left. And I'm on my last one. So yeah. I just need to spread the cheese on. So yeah, now I'm done. Thank you for watching this video about this. So making pizza. I'm going to show you them now. 1 second. Here they all are. This might make you all hungry. So